Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy, and tonight we are checking out more Steven Seagulls. I know. I've been told to do more, and it's taken me forever, but we are diving in. I think there was one that a lot of people wanted me to do with Thunderstruck, but then I saw that they did More Than a Feeling, and I like that song, and I want to see what they do with it. So, guys, thank you so much for being here. We're gonna dive right in, but if you're new to the channel, welcome in. I just love music, and I love that music can bring people together. And that's what I'm trying to do here on The Wolf and the Melody. I love that we can come together, enjoy music, talk life, and be an encouragement to each other, lift each other up. I really want this to be a bright spot in your life. So when you come here, you know, no matter what you're facing, you know you're not alone. You know you're seen, and I'm super grateful for you taking time out of your day. And let's dive into this. I want a hat like that, dude. You guys think?
More than a feeling when I hear that old song they used to play, and I begin dreaming.
What a great voice.
Till I see my Marianne walk away. I see my Marianne walking away.
Oh yeah.
Looked up this morning and the sun was gone. I turned on some music to start my day. I lost myself in a familiar song. I closed my eyes and I slipped away.
Oh yeah.
It's more than a feeling when I hear that old song they used to play. I'm thinking dreaming till I see Marianne walk away. I see my Marianne walking away. So many people have come and gone. Their faces change as the years go by. Yet I still recall as I wander on, as clear as the sun in the summer sky. Hey! It's more than a feeling when I hear that old song they used to play. I'm thinking dreaming till I see Marianne walk away. I see my Marianne walking away. When I'm tired and thinking cold, I hide in my music, forget the day, and dream of a girl I used to know. I close my eyes and she slipped away. Hey!
Dude, this is awesome.
It's more than a feeling when I hear that old song they used to play. I'm thinking dreaming till I see Marianne walk away.
Oh my god, dude, this was so good. Oh, wow, 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 wow! Just so fun and just bright and just cool video, man. Like really cool video. I love just the little things going on in the backgrounds, but the just how they were able to rewrite this song and their style is just incredible, man. And great singing, dude. Like really freaking good, and just a lot of heart, a lot of feeling, and more than a feeling. I'm sorry, it was so bad, but yeah, this was awesome. I will not be so long to come back to them. So, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this, and it put a smile on your face. As always, you can connect with me on Instagram if you would like, and keep your head up, okay? I know life is tough, and if you need someone to talk to, vent to, whatever, reach out. All right? Stay lovely, stay metal, and until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.